Today being the last Sunday of the month, we were given the key that makes everything we've been taught throughout the whole month work, which is faith. We were taught today that faith is not a static force, faith is an active force. Faith, first of all, sees. When you catch a picture of what God has a plan, of God's plan for your life, it generates faith. That's why on many occasions we are taught to sit down and close our eyes and think about the kind of life we want to live. Because truly, when you catch that picture, it gives birth to faith in you. Another thing is, faith speaks. It's one thing to see it, which I call level 1, but it's another thing to begin to speak it. Speaking is what we call a confession of faith, and as we've been taught in previous sermons and different lessons, confession leads to possession. So we ought to confess, I'm a star, I'm a successful athlete, I'm a successful businessman, I'm a successful teacher. What you desire, confess it. And this doesn't have to be out in the open for everyone to see. This could be in your bedroom, in your private place, just declaring what you desire in your life. Another thing that provokes faith and actually leads to result is taking action. It's one thing to see it, it's one thing to say it, but level 3 is taking action. And if we don't truly take action, action is the one of the fundamental proofs of our faith. Faith without action is truly no faith at all, because if you do believe, you will take steps towards it, you will work towards it, you will move towards it, that destination that you've seen. So this was a true encouragement for me today, especially while I was reflecting on my testimony in college. Before I entered college, I saw myself graduating with straight A's, and I believed it, and I began to say it. I said it in my college dorm room, I'm a straight A student. I believed it. And not only did I see it, not only did I say it, but I worked towards it. And by God's grace, it happened. I graduated with straight A's. To God be the glory. And this testimony reminded me of what God can do. And if God can do that in that situation, God can do it in any situation. The truth is, God is the same yesterday, today, and forever. If He's done anything great before in your life, He can do it again in a greater scale. We just have to provoke Him. We have to partner with God, which is what I believe faith is. Faith is an active partnership with God to bring to pass, to cause those things that we desire in our life to be a reality. Faith doesn't just say, oh, God will do it. Yeah, God will do it. Or, yeah, I've seen it. Yeah, God will do it. Faith says, what must I do to commit God to do what He has shown me? Because the truth is, God's part of the covenant, or the contract, as some people say, is sure. It's our part to play. Faith is what we have to do to partner with God. Faith is our work. We have to work it out with God. And so, just going forward, I want to encourage you to take steps of faith. See it, say it, and work at it.